in front of me is HonorPad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Firefox. When you're finished, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on Apps. Select the default apps over here and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage, or hit More Defaults and manage all of those as well. Let's start with those. I want to change my browser, so I need to hit Browser app, tap on Firefox to apply it, and simply go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my default browser app has changed. If you want to select more defaults, click on one of those sections, like Gallery, tap on any app you wish to apply, and this time confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Change. When you finished, go back. If you want to, you can also go back to default apps, select Opening Links at the very bottom, and enable or disable this option by clicking on this switcher next to Open Links in Apps. If you decided to enable it, you can also tap on any of those apps and click on this switcher to enable or disable Open Supported Links in this apps feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!